Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to do question number 7, 8, 9 and 10 of exercise 11.3. In the previous video we had already completed question number 1 to 6. Hope you people understood those questions. Okay. So here is question number 7. What does the question number 7 says that find the perimeter of the adjoining figure which is semi circle including its diameter, isn't it? So first we are going to find the semicircle of this. First we are going to find the circumference of this semicircle whose diameter value is given as 10 centimeter. Okay, so 10 centimeter is given its diameter. So what will be the radius? Radius will be 5 centimeter. This question we had already done in the previous video, isn't it? Then after whatever the area comes, suppose the circumference comes 110 upon 7, that will be added with the diameter. So we will get the required answer, that is 550 upon 7 is the required answer for question number 7. Okay, so in the same way we have to do question number 8. What is said in question number 8? In the question number 8 it is said that find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter. What is the diameter is given? 1.6, isn't it? A circular tabletop is given. Suppose this one is a circle. Okay, its surface is to be polished. Okay, polish is done on the surface, not on the edges. So while doing the polish on the surface, it means we have to find its area. If it is talking about the boundary, fencing or the length, we have to find the circumference. Since it is said that we have to polish or paint on the surface, that means we have to find the area. Okay, so for doing the solution of this question, first we have to find the area of the circular tabletop whose diameter is 1.6. So the radius for this will be 1.6 divided by 2, that will be 0.8 centimeter, meter, isn't it? Then after finding the area, that area will be multiplied with 15, because for polishing 1 meter square area it is required 15 rupees. Okay, so the total area will be multiplied with 15 in order to get the rate or cost. Clear everyone? In the same way, for the ninth question we are having the length of the wire we are having as 44. A complete length of the wire is 44. Suppose AB is the length of the wire. Okay, this length of the wire is rebent into the shape of a circle. That means उसको 44 सेंटीमीटर वायर को, लंबे वायर को सर्कल के फॉर्म में बनाया गया. सर्कल के फॉर्म में बनाने के बाद उसको स्क्वायर शेप में मोल्ड किया गया. Clear everyone now? 44 centimeter length of the wire is rebent into the shape of a circle. Okay, then after that we have to again rebend the same wire into the shape of a square. Clear? Now as we know that length of the wire will be equals to the circumference of the circle. This condition is to be understood by you people why it is so. Since the length act as a boundary, isn't it? Length of the wire will act as a boundary for the circle. That's why if suppose this is the center, this is the point A of the wire. So we are going to start from A and again joining with the A, isn't it? Then the B will be joined with A. So in this way we have to consider that the length of the circle will be equals to its circumference of the circle. Clear? That's why length of the circle is equals to circumference of the circle will be equals to 44 centimeter. Clear up to here? Then using this value only we are going to find the radius as well as the side of the square. Okay, then after we have to compare that which figure enclose more area, either circle or the square. This is the question. When we will do the question, it will be more easier to you. Okay, then in the 10th question it is given one circle is given, isn't it? It is like emojis which you people are using in your phone. One complete circle is given whose radius is, suppose this one is a complete circle. Okay, this radius is 14 centimeter is given. then small two circles is drawn as an eye. Okay, the radius of this two small circle is how much? 3. Clear? Sorry, it is not 3, it is 3.5. Two circles of radius 3.5 is being made, so we have to find the area of both the circles separately. Okay, finding the one, it will be automatically same for the second because both the circle is having the same radius, that's why. Then after a rectangle, a mouth is being seen on the picture. So this mouth is in the form of a rectangle whose area again we have to find it. Clear everyone? Now after finding the area, what we have to do? We have to find the remaining area of the sheet. Clear? That means we have to do the subtraction. So let's look the solution for question number 8. Now, exercise 11.3, question number 8, isn't it? What is said in the question? Diameter is given as 1.6 meter, isn't it? So area of that will be how much? 1.6 divided by 2, that will be 0.8 meter. Clear? Then after, since it is asked to find the area of the circle, then area of the circle is equals to, what is the formula? Pi r square, isn't it? So pi value we have to take it as 3.14, as it is asked to take 3.4, that's why. Then after, r value we have to take 0.8 meter square, it will be square. So multiplying 3.14 along with 0.8 and 0.8, this all together 3, this will be multiplied, we will get the required answer as 2.0096 centimeter square. Clear? So what is the area we got here? The area of the circle we got it as 2.0096 meter square. This is the area of the circle we had found it right now. After finding the area of the circle, it is said that if cost of polishing, what is to be polished? The table surface is to be polished. Okay, cost of polishing 1 meter square tabletop required how much rupees? Is required 15 rupees. And therefore cost of polishing how much area? 2.0096 meter square, it required how much? That will be multiplied with 15, isn't it? To get the answer as 30.144. So this is the complete solution of question number 8. Clear everyone? Then after, question number 9. Here is question number 9 solution we are having. In this, as I had explained you beforehand itself, that one wire is being given, and that wire, length of the wire is given as 44 centimeter, isn't it? What is the length of the wire is? Length of the wire is 44 centimeter. Then length of the wire will be equals to the circumference of the wire, and it will be rebent into the shape of a circle. So circumference of a wire is considered as 44 centimeter, isn't it? That's why here we are going to apply this formula for circumference of a circle is equals to 44 centimeter is equals to 2 pi r. Why this 2 pi r? It is due to the formula of circumference of a circle. And why the circumference of a circle value is taken as 44? Because circumference of a circle will be equals to the length of the wire according to the question, because that length of the wire is 44 is rebent into the shape of a circle, that's why. Clear? Then for finding the value of r, what we have to do? We have to do the cross multiplication over here. So 44 into 7 will be cross multiplied into 2 into 22, isn't it? So 22 will be comes in the table of 11 how many times? 2 times. And 44 comes in the table of 11 how many times? 4 times, isn't it? Again this 2 ones will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Again 2 and 2 will be cancelled from the numerator and denominator. What is the value left out? That is 7 as a radius will be going to left out for this. Clear? Then when the radius is considered as 7, then easily we can find the area of the circle, that is pi r square is the area of the circle formula, isn't it? So what is the value of pi we are going to take? That is 22 by 7 into r square, that means 7 square, isn't it? And remember student, why I had written centimeter square here? Because since 7 centimeter, why I had written that I will explain you again. Since the r square is there in the formula, isn't it? So r value is 7 over here. So 7 centimeter is the value of r, that means radius, isn't it? So 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter. So 7 into 7 is how much? 49. And centimeter into centimeter, that means centimeter square. That's why here directly I had written as a centimeter square. Clear everyone? Then you know the calculation can easily sort out, isn't it? It is very easy calculation. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7 will get cancelled. Then 22 into 7 will get cancelled as 154 centimeter square. So what is the area of the circle is? That is 154 centimeter square is the answer for question number 9. Clear? Then after, again in the same question number 9, it is said that since the wire is rebent into the shape of a square, a length of the wire is 44, it is rebent into the shape of a circle, isn't it? And that shape of the circle r is, we had finded over here 5. Then after we had finded the area as 154 centimeter square, isn't it? After finding the length of the wire, it is rebent into the shape of a square. So length of the wire will be equals to the perimeter of the circle. So length of the wire is, we are going to consider it as 44 centimeter is equals to, what is the perimeter of the square will be? Perimeter of the square will be 4 into sides, isn't it? This is the formula for perimeter of the square. In this question here, the length of the wire will be equals to the perimeter of the square. As we know that the length of the wire will be equals to the circumference of a circle, in the same way length of the wire will be equals to the perimeter of the circle. Using these conditions of the question, we are going to solve here to get the side of a square, isn't it? So what is the side of a square? Value is 11 centimeter. Now area of the square formula is side into side. So what is the side value we are having? 11. So 11 centimeter into 11 centimeter is how much? That is 121 centimeter square. Clear everyone? After having 121 centimeter square as an area of the square and circumference of the circle is 154 centimeter square. By comparing this to, circumference of a circle is greater than area of the it is not circumference, it is the area of the circle. Okay, 154 centimeter square is the area of a circle and 121 is the 21 square is the area of a square, isn't it? Now while seeing this, area of a circle is greater than area of a square. While seeing the numbers of the values of the areas of circle and a square, we can easily say that the area of the circle is greater than the area of the square, isn't it? Since why we are seeing like this? Because in the question it is asked that among the two, that means circle or square, whose area is greater. So thus the area of the circle is greater than the area of the square. Clear everyone? Now in question number 10, I had already explained you what is given. A circular sheet is given whose radius is 14 centimeter. Then with the help of the radius, we can easily find out the area. Area formula is pi r square. R value we are having 14, isn't it? So here how to solve, I will show you. 22 by 7, 14 can be written as 14 into 14 centimeter square. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are will get cancelled, isn't it? That's why here 14 into 2 is written. Clear? So 22 into 14 into 2 will be equals to the area of the circular sheet, that is 616 centimeter square. So what is the area of the circular sheet we are having here? That is 616 centimeter square. Now since we are talking here about one face like circle, isn't it? So this circle's area we are having this much. Clear? then it is having the two circles inside which makes an eye in that, and one mouth is there which is in the form of a rectangle, isn't it? So the radius of the first small circle and the second small circle is same. Therefore, area of the first small circle we are going to find as pi r square will be similar to the area of the second small circle. So the area of the first small circle is 38.50 centimeter square will be equals to the area of the second circle, that is 38.50 centimeter square. Clear up to here? Then after we are going to find the length of the rectangle, because that figure is having the two circle, okay, and one rectangle. So this rectangle's area we have to find. So length of the circle is 3 centimeter, breadth of the circle is 1 centimeter. What is the area of the rectangle is L into B. So 3 centimeter into 1 centimeter, that will be 3 centimeter square we are having. Okay. Now in this question it is said that if from this face or a circle, if we are going to remove this, two circles as well as this rectangle, what is the area is left inside this? What will be the area is left for remaining part, for finding this? Okay, what is the area left? That means area of the remaining sheet we have to find it, isn't it? So area of the remaining sheet is equals to 316 centimeter square. The area of the whole circle, it is 316 centimeter square is the area of the whole circle we are having. The complete circle area we are having as 616 centimeter square, isn't it? Now small circle area we are having as 38.50 centimeter square, and second small circle area will be equals to 38.50 centimeter square. Then our rectangle area is 3, isn't it? So adding all this adding the two circles value along with the rectangle value, we will get it as a 80. Adding all these three, we will get the answer as 80 centimeter square, and this 80 centimeter square will be going to be subtract with 616, okay, to get the answer as 536 centimeter square. Thus the area of the remaining sheet is 536 centimeter square is the answer. Clear everyone? Now looking for the next question number 11. This is question number 11 of exercise 11.3 of class 7th. Okay, here it is said that an aluminium sheet is having the side of the aluminium sheet which is in the form of a square. Okay, this is the aluminium sheet, okay, and the side of aluminium sheet is 6 centimeter. Clear? Now with the side 6 centimeter, can we find its area of the square? Of course we can find it, because the formula of area of the square is side into side. That means 6 into 6 is 36 centimeter square is the area of a square. Clear up to here? Then radius of the circle is 2. It is given in the question. Radius of the circle is 2 centimeter given in the question. Radius of a circle 2 centimeter. With the help of that radius, we are going to find the area of the circle as pi r square. So pi value we have to take it as 3.14. Why we have to take it as 3.14? Because it is given in the question, and r value is given as 2 square. Clear? So 2 into 2 will be equals to 4 itself. So here I had written 4. Now 3.14 into 4 will be equals to 12.56 centimeter square. Clear up to here? Thus, therefore, the area of the remaining sheet. Again here we have to find the area of the remaining sheet. Therefore, the area of the remaining sheet is equals to 36 centimeter minus 12.56 centimeter square will be equals to 23.44 centimeter square. Clear? So dear students, in this video we are going to see only up to question number 11. The rest other question we are going to see tomorrow. Clear? Hope you people understood the questions. So all the best.